Welcome to Removeable.com. Here we have a 2003 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail 100th anniversary. It's painted with the vivid black and the silver two-tone paint scheme, and it's loaded with extras. I'll show you first off the bat here. This will come with it. It's the backpack matching the bike. You can see the studs in it. It's the leather. Lots of space in there. We'll just start here at the rear here so you can see the side bags, the leather bags, the straps. Back here, the lighting was all replaced with LED. The originals are still with the bike if you prefer. We got the backrest here, and you can see the medallion there, 100th anniversary with the gold bar and shield. Let's come to the side here. You can see the view of that bag. It's got the Vance and Hines long shots. It sounds awesome. We got the chrome laced wheel there. I'll show you inside the bag here. So we got lots of storage. It's got the straps with the clips, so easy to come on and off. And you still get that old school look. Just put that there. And then down here we have the passenger floorboards, so they can flip up and down like that. We'll start up here. So we got the backrest here. Again, we got the other rest that comes off as well if you want to just run solo. This seat will come off as well. You got the badge here and the solo seat here, all Harley. You got the chrome oil tank. You got the chrome twin cam 88 engine. So that's about a 1340cc engine. It's got the 5-speed transmission. You can see the 100 years down there. It's got the upgraded Harley-Davidson floorboards as well, and your brake pedal there. It's got the chrome crash bars, and we also have the Hiway pegs here. That's got to be tightened up. We'll get that looked at. And again, the two-tone paint scheme. So it's offered in 3 different paint schemes for this year. In the 100th anniversary edition, you can see the beautiful badge there. We'll just come to the front here and show you that front wheel. The paint looks phenomenal. Got the chromed out front end. Spokes look great. Again, LED lighting. And it's got the windshield too, removable if you want to run it naked bike. The bags are also removable. And let's just come onto the bike here. I'll give you this view. Get up here. And we can show you the tank here. So we got this nice leather piece here, and you got the 2003 Heritage Classic badge there. Here's your ignition, you got your speedometer. We'll start up the bike. Here's your fuel gauge. So it's got the fuel gauge so you can see how much is in there, and this is where you would add the fuel. We got the nice bar and shield chrome risers there, and we got a nice upgraded, I think it's a 12-inch bar. We got the old style hand grips here, your horn, your lights, your signals, your chrome mirrors, and again, that windshield, it looks like brand new as well. You can see it's all chromed out front there. We got the nice braided lines. So very expensive upgrade there as well. There's your mirror on this side, your grips. So looks great. Let's start right up. All right, there's your mileage there, 58,910. So here we have it. This is a 2003 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail 100th anniversary model in the two-tone black and silver paint scheme with lots of extras. Again, chrome, removable backrest, the tour pack back there. You can just see what a great bike. This is here and available at Removeable.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.